Hello guys, welcome to my channel. In this video I have two models want to introduce and compare. This one 18 volt battery and this one 40 volt mag, the new model. This one DTW700 700 Newton meter 1/2 inch square drive, and this one TW007G 730 Newton meter 1/2 inch square drive. It looks the same. It's different on the battery. It brushless motor. As you can see on this model, it's new. It have this one. It's old. It scratched out. As you can see on the logo. Yeah. And brushless here. This one. It weight a little bit different. This one 2.7 kilogram, and this one 3.3 kilogram, and it also different on the battery. Yeah, this one 2.5 ampere hour. Yeah, we have the big one 4 ampere. The different rotation speed and also impact per minute. 0, 300, 1,200. 1,900, yeah, 2,300. This one 1,200, 1,900, 2,700, 2,900 impact per minute. This one 500. Yes, 300, 1,200, 1,200 the same. Yeah, 1,900. Yeah, 1,900 the same. 2,200. This one 2,300. Yeah. Let's see the impact per minute. 1,200. This one 1,000. Yeah, 1,900. 1,700. 2,700. 2,400. 2,900, 2,700. Okay. For mode is the same. For speed power mode, it has 6 axis mode, 3 for loosening and 3 for fastening. It also have full speed mode the same. Yeah, the same. This one also. I will testing fastening and loosening with the socket 35 mm. The socket 3/4 inch. So I use adapter connect with impact gland 1/2 inch. First, I fastening with the model TW007G. I use speed number 4. So I will use this one to loosening for test and compare it. It looks the same. Different only 3